It took a day to get approved for the first step of monetization. I was surprised about it, but maybe it's because I started this process a long time ago when I reached 3,000 watch hours. I wasn't able to complete it because of some issues with my old Google Ads account. After I opened a new one, I got accepted pretty fast. This is the Earn tab page after you get accepted to the first stage of the YouTube Partner Program on your YouTube Studio. Here you can see how many hours are left for you to complete before you can be fully monetized if you aren't yet. I still need to wait for 150 hours, but it's not that much, and I really hope it will be faster now that I've gotten into the partner program. At the top, you can see what exactly I can set. I have two things. One is the supers, like chat, thanks, and stickers. I can also set membership. In this video, I will talk more about the supers, but I will have a separate video about the membership. I'm set on it and it should be live soon if you'd like to check it out, the membership. More things you can see on this page that's changed than before. On the side, you have some information about the partner program, like the terms if you want to read them again, and help section about the partner program. Here you can also click if you want to stop being in the partner program, although I don't know why someone would want to do that. If you don't want to use any of the programs YouTube gives you to earn money, you can always turn them off one by one, or just turn everything off and still be in the partner program. That way, in the future, if you want to use it again, you won't need to wait for it. But if you really want to leave the program, then click here and confirm. Now let's see how to add the supers. You can turn it on in two ways. One is to click here on this button, or you can click the separate tab that was just added to this screen and turn it on there. When you click the start button, you will get a long explanation about the features and that you agree to everything in this program. Scroll down to read it, then sign it and click accept. One of the things they mention here is that YouTube can refund the money. So if you see some of it cancelled, it's because YouTube returned the money to the buyer. That's it. You now have the supers on your channel. After you click to turn it on, you get all of them available. If you want to stop using one of them, you can do that by going to Earn tab and then supers. While you're there, you can turn off any of the supers you don't want to use. Super chat is for live streams and premieres. People who watch can buy super chat, and the comments they add with will be shown in a special tab, so they stand out and jump right to you. It usually works best when you have a big audience and the chat is crowded and people want to get your attention. But you can also use it to raise money while you're doing a live stream. Just know that YouTube takes a cut from it. When you're live, the person who wants to buy a super chat can decide how much they want to spend. You'll be able to see how much they paid, and everyone in the chat will see it too. Super stickers are also for live streams and premieres. If you have it turned on, someone can buy a sticker instead of a super chat if they just want to support your channel. When you're live, it's a good idea to let people know that they can support you with the supers. The last thing on this page is super thanks. This is basically a way for someone to pay you for the help you gave them in a video. It shows up on any video you have on your channel immediately. You can see the button under this video too, if you'd like to support my channel. When someone clicks it, they can choose how much to give you. It starts from $2, and each person sees it in their own currency. So you might see different currencies on your dashboard, but you'll get the full amount after it's converted to your currency. Whether someone pays you, you will see the statistics on this page, how much they paid for which video and who paid it. I just turned it on, so I can't show you yet how it will look when someone gives you supers. The supers are one thing you can get when you reach 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. The other thing you get is membership, and I will dedicate a video to it. So stay tuned for the next part. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.